Hey everyone, welcome back to Inkmattic, back here with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Freetrade Portfolio update. This is episode 20. I've got a few announcements to make in this video. First of all, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and like this video. So starting off with what Freetrade have announced a few weeks ago. If you haven't seen my most recent video about Freetrade and their Freetrade Plus, the card is up above and in the description below. But essentially, Freetrade have announced a premium package, which includes additional stocks and a couple of features which other platforms do offer for free and as standard. But anyway, that doesn't mean we're not going to dive into that right now. But first of all, what we're going to talk about is the recent blog post, or especially announcement in the forum. And this basically tells us what the difference is between the two types. So you've got the free universe and the plus stock universe. So the difference between the free and the plus accounts are essentially the stocks that they're going to have included. So the free universe will include the FTSE 350, the FTSE AIM 100, the MSCI US Prime Market, and the IPOs, SPACs, and other highly requested large cap companies. Whereas the plus universe, which is their premium access for $9.99 a month, and this will include FTSE All Shares, FTSE AIM All Shares, S&P Small Cap 600, plus any other highly requested small and micro cap stocks not included in these indices. So it does look like that they're going to be getting quite a lot of essentially additional stocks in the plus account, which I think is great that they're adding more stocks, but I don't see the point of a paywall. Anyway, what gets really interesting right now is the fact that they are moving some of those already existing stocks in the free plan away and putting a paywall behind them. So there is currently 84 London listed stocks and 52 New York listed stocks. So let's dive into this anyway. So these are all the stocks that are essentially getting a paywall behind them that are already free, and essentially if you wanted to buy any of these stocks you would have to upgrade to the Freetrade Plus for $9.99 a month. And it's kind of a bit of a pain, to be honest, that, you know, if you've already got these stocks in your portfolio or you're already thinking about considering opening a position, you would have to upgrade to the plus package. That being said, if you already own these stocks in your portfolio and you are not upgrading to the free one, you won't be able to buy any additional shares, but you will still be able to sell them. It's a bit of a pain in my opinion about this. It's kind of silly that, you know, if you've already got it in your account, then you should really be able to keep it. But that's just my opinion. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you guys are saying. I don't think it's right. I think, you know, like once it's already added to the free plan, you should always keep it there. You're just going to annoy your customers. That's just my opinion. But that draws me onto the second point that I want to talk about in this video. So I have recently been moving this to a monthly update, and even then I haven't really been adding or changing much to it, just because I've kind of fallen out with the Freetrade platform, and I feel like I don't think it's competing with other platforms. It's just because I feel like I'm more invested into the Trading 212 platform, and personally I think that suits my needs more, especially that I've got the ISA there as well. So I'll be interested to know what you guys think about it. Would you still be interested to see these updates on the Freetrade Portfolio? So what I'm trying to say is, are you guys still interested in the Freetrade Portfolio updates? If you are, leave a comment down below and let me know that you still want to see these on a monthly basis. If not, then I guess that's fine. So if you are interested, I am currently running a poll at the moment, which will end on Sunday, about the Freetrade Portfolio update, whether you still want to see it and whether you don't. So head over to twitter.com/Inkmattic and make your vote there count. So if you are interested, it will be worth hitting that poll, because whatever that poll does say is essentially what's going to be the future for these Freetrade updates. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below as well. and what your thoughts are on free trade decisions with these stocks. While you're at it, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and like this video. So let's get started with the portfolio update. So I guess this is what you guys have been waiting for, is the Freetrade Portfolio update. Like I said earlier, not much has really changed. I haven't really been updating this. I've just been kind of letting it do its own thing. I've made a few changes over the past month, but anyway, we'll dive into it. We'll go through the entire portfolio in this update. So currently the portfolio is now at £1,003.60p. I'm down £276.57p. My largest holding is Aviva on this platform. I've got 100 shares. My average price is at £3.26p. I'm down 10.41%, and that's £34.03p. I am expecting a dividend from these guys around the 24th of September, so that should be quite exciting, and I'm looking forward to that. Barclays is my second largest holding, and boy, it has gone down to 97p. I was not expecting that. Anyway, so I've got 200 shares. My average price is at £1.19p. I am down 18.07%. That's £43.15p in the red. So it's not doing too well. It has had quite a bumpy ride over the last month. It did hit a high of £1.11p. But it's gone down to 97p at the moment. I think most of the banks have had quite a rocky month this month, so I'm not surprised with NatWest dropping, Lloyds, they've all pretty much dropped. So that GSK is something that I've added to recently. So I have now got 11 shares in GSK with an average price of £15.58p. I'm down 2.37%. That's £4.06p. I think for me, GSK is certainly a long-term play, and I will be continuing to add to this. Perhaps maybe not on the free trade one. Maybe I will. I haven't quite decided. I think what my plan is for the free trade one anyway is to condense it down to maybe 2 or 3 positions, and just continue to add to it that way for those specific stocks. Lloyds, again, is not been doing too well. Boy, that watch list is annoying. So that being said, with Lloyds, it has had a bumpy month as well. So over the last month, it's down 11.3%. It is continuing to drop. So before the pandemic, it was around 60p, and now it's down to 25. So that's just over 50% drop. With that, I've got 468 shares. Average price is at 46p. I'm down 45.8%. That's £100.54p in the red. So it's not doing too well, but I will be holding on to this purely because I do think it should at some point recover, and I'm in no rush to sell it. So I think if they do resume their dividends, that's pretty good. I'll be happy with that. But if they don't, then it might be something that I might start considering to sell. Legal & General, I did reduce my position at some point around the last ex-dividend, around April. So I've got remaining 50 shares with an average price of £2.04p. I am down 5.87%. That's £6.01p. So with Legal & General, I am actually looking to close this position on Freetrade and just move the funds over to my Trading 212 portfolio. Just like I said, I'm looking to reduce my positions and the number of positions I hold on Freetrade to a select few. NatWest has seen a shocking drop as well. It is, not great. So this is probably like one of my worst positions. So I've got 63 shares. My average price is at £1.92p, which is insane because I've almost lost £1 per share on this. I'm down 49.62%. I'm down £60.12p. So I'm hoping that, when the economy goes back to normal, we should see a bounce back, especially from the banks. So I guess it wasn't a good idea to invest in so many banks, but it's all a learning process, and you learn from your mistakes, and next time that won't happen. You'll just diversify a little bit more. Nokia has not had a great month, to be honest. It is down 19.55%. I'm down $1 exactly per share over the last month. But anyway, I've got 19 shares. My average price is at £2.73. I'm still up 16.08%. That's £8.34. So I'm thinking I should have sold this when it was around $5, but missed an opportunity there, and I'm not too worried about it, because I do think, again, Nokia is going to be something that I'll hold for the long haul, and some of the positions that I sell on Freetrade will probably go into Nokia. That's my thought on it. And Ford is actually something that I just want to get rid of. However, it has had quite a good month. It is at $7.26. It is up 5.15% over the last month. I've got 2 shares. My average price is at £7.78. I'm down 27.83%. That's £4.33. So I did buy this at quite a high price, but again, I'm not in a rush to sell it, so I will just be holding it for the time being until I do turn back into the green. But yeah, that's it for this portfolio, and this is all the stocks that I have in this portfolio. Freetrade did release something new, which is a portfolio performance. So I'm down 20.33%. So if I dive into that, money weighted rate of return, so I'm down 20.33% since March 2nd, 2020, last update. So yeah, so that's just a new feature that they've added to the portfolio. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this update. So let me know what you guys think about this portfolio update. Do you want it to continue on a monthly basis or even a quarterly basis? Let me know down in the comments below. I am currently running a poll on Twitter, so if you go check that out and make your vote count. So if it is voted as a no, then obviously I will be discontinuing the Freetrade portfolio updates. If you do vote yes, then I will perhaps run another poll, whether it's a monthly or a quarterly update. Let me know what you guys think about doing that in the comments down below. And yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and see you in the next one.